Welcome back. Now in this video, let me answer the basic question as to how you can start trading in the stock market. In order to start trading, you need to open a trading account with a stockbroker in your country. The stockbroker would guide you on the formalities that you need to complete so that a trading account can be set up for you. Once this trading account is set up, you need to transfer funds to your account so that you can start trading. If you would like to start trading, you should also broadly understand how your trade is executed. A typical trade life cycle consists of certain steps. The first step is trade order initiation. In this stage, you will place an order with the broker. You will decide on the price at which you want to buy the security. You will also decide the quantity, that is the number of stocks or shares you would want to buy. Depending on your preference, you will place a market order or a limit order. We will look at the details around order types a little later. The next step in the process is risk management and order routing. The broker is responsible to ensure that the client does not default on his trade. So if you are buying a stock, the broker will check if you have the required amount of cash in your account. If you are selling a stock, the broker will check if you have the required number of securities in your account. Once he verifies that you have the cash or the securities, he will pass on your trade to the exchange. At the same time, he will lock in the funds and securities in your account so that you do not make the same trade again using the same funds or securities. The next step is order matching and trade execution. Once the exchange receives all the orders, they collate all the buy and sell orders. Then the exchange tries to allot the security to the best available price. Once a match is found, the trade is executed and the exchange sends the notification to the broker, who in turn informs the investor. The last step in executing a trade is clearing and settlement. Once a trade is executed, it goes through the clearing process we discussed before. After the clearing process is complete, the settlement process is executed so that the buyers get the securities credited to their account and the seller receives cash in their account. The entire process is facilitated by the broker, so as far as you are concerned, your broker will be the sole point of contact for you. Now that you have an understanding of the trading process, in the next couple of videos, we will cover the details around placing your trading orders through your broker. So see you in the next video.